All right, well, good Monday, everyone. Overall, not a bad day today. Had the sunshine, mid upper 40s. Next system on the way tonight. So quickly want to run through what we're watching with this. Strong cold front on the way. So not much happening this afternoon. This front rolls in then late tonight. Generally after 10 p.m. is when we're going to see this begin to develop. And as the front moves through, strong winds. We get snow and blowing snow in the mountains with rain, snow in the valley. So most of the snow is going to be in the higher elevations, but again, the winds are going to pick up as this rolls through overnight tonight as well. And then we'll just keep some off and on snow in the forecast throughout the day on your Tuesday there. So look at our wind gust potential. Again, not bad through this afternoon, evening, but then it really picks up. Models have after midnight 30-40 mile per hour wind gusts as that cold front moves through. And we'll keep some gusty winds even through the day on your Tuesday here. Now, snow amounts highest in the mountains, Montana-Idaho border. Look out, Lost Trail. Factor in those winds tonight. Really difficult travel over the passes is expected. 3 to 7 Marias, much lesser amounts for Rogers, McDonald, and really not expecting much home stake pass there. Valley's really not talking about snow, all right? So this is by tomorrow afternoon, maybe a light dusting, but generally we're looking at rain. A little snow could mix in at times, but generally we're looking at all rain. But with the winds, it could create some difficult travel, especially if you get some snow mixed in and that reduced visibility tonight into tomorrow morning.